Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna show you how to take off a door handle, the exterior one, off of a 2015 Buick Encore. This goes for the same models as in the 2011 through 16 Chevy Cruises. I think it was 2012 through current Encores, and also Buick Regals, Buick Veranas, etc., etc. We want to teach you how to take one off. I don't think there's many good educational videos out there, but I'm gonna do what we can. I need these right there. I'll show you how to take it off. Do not need to take off the door panel. You don't need to. In a whole bunch of videos it says you do, but you really don't need to do to take off this dust cover, and I'll show you that in a bit. So all you gotta do is just pry this thing out. Poke that little dust shield, and there's gonna be a Torx 20 in there. Maybe you can see it. Yeah, there it is. There's a Torx 20. And all you gotta do is just loosen it. Let's see, focus fine. All you gotta do is loosen it until this piece right here comes loose, and you'll notice when it does, when you start loosening it up a bit. See, there, it's almost there. And there you go. That piece is loose now. Let's save this right here, and you might want to tighten it up again, because the other piece right here, it's not that easy to come out. I'll show you how to do it in a little bit. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. And then all you do is lift it up and pull towards away to the car. And there you go. That's it. Now do the same thing in reverse to put it back in. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.